Hi Pankaj, how are you?
I'm good, man. Yes, long time see you, man. Long time see you.
Yeah, me too, brother. I'm also waiting for you. So finally we
Yes,
connect each other. So how are you?
yes, I'm very good, man. I'm also very good. And
Okay.
what about you? So, in which topic you want to discuss
Yeah,
today?
actually, I wanted to discuss with about like IT sector because one of my friend is working in this field. So I don't have any information, proper knowledge. So please share with me. We can say like we can discuss about IT related. You're right. So please tell me about yourself in IT sector. What do you do in what about
Yes,
there? What
yes,
kind
yes,
of your
yes.
yeah.
No, IT is different and networking is different. My line is totally core networking. So
Mhm.
in our company, I deal with the network devices like router switches and
Mhm.
firewall. These kinds of things I deal with network. Sometimes there is issue in port, or sometime issue in sometime there are a lot of issue come arise in a single day. Lot of issue you face sometime, port issue you face, some internet issue sometime. So lot of issue you face. So definitely networking is a very vast field, very vast field,
Okay.
you can say. Yes.
Yeah, we can say like network. I mean, IT sector. We can say like booming industry. We can make a good career over there. Am I right?
Absolutely, but you have a strong command. You have a strong command in that. Like you have a proper knowledge how to devise, communicate. Yes, and
Yes.
you have a basic knowledge. Firstly, you have a basic knowledge. If you want to make your career in networking line, so firstly you can go for CCNA, Cisco Network, Cisco Certified Network Associate. This is an exam provided by Cisco, and if you clear this exam, so definitely after clear this exam, you can get a 25,000, 30,000 easily anywhere, any part
Oh,
of
I see.
India. And definitely
Yes.
there is a three step for doing for going in networking line. Like first step is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. The second one is CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional, and the third
Okay.
is CCI, Cisco Certified Expert.
Oh, I
So
see.
when you do CCI, so that time you become a master in networking fields, and yes, you can easily get 50 or 16 lakh package. Not
Oh
in
my
India,
God.
also
Mhm.
outside India easily.
Yeah, one of my friend he's working IT sector and he's working we can say network side. Okay, and he's working with a RBI bank. RBI bank we can say
I
like
know, I
this is
know, I know very well. I know very well, because most of the company nowadays they take no government project, because my company also take Chandigarh High Court project. It's a judicial project, and my company
voice.
take government project. So my client location is district and session court Palwal, and Palwal is located in Haryana.
Oh, I see.
It's come under the Haryana district.
Mhm.
So yes, so definitely this is a very networking is a very vast field. Tell me something about yourself. What do you do?
Okay. Yeah, like first thing, my name is Samir, you know very well, and I'm living in Mumbai. And nowadays, I'm preparing my interview. I'm searching a job in we can say like aviation industry and hospitality industry. That's why reason I'm learning English language. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Yeah,
want to ask you one thing. Like for
yes,
example, I want to make a career in IT sector. We can say okay. So what should I do? Like I'm a non-background. I was commerce
it,
student. Suppose.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Let me clear. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Most of the people think yes. I'm come from hotel sector. I am come from electrical sector. I come from different. Yes, like CA.
Okay.
Lot of field. It doesn't
Mhm.
matter. But firstly, you have an interest. If you are interested in like how to device work, how to our mobile work. When I say hello, the first packet goes from how to when I say hello, so how we can connect the call. If you are
Ye-
curious about, yes, so definitely you can go easily, because I already told you the first step is CCNA. The first step
CCN.
is CCNA. You can
Okay.
search, and you can search CCNA institute from nearby location. like
Okay.
Best Institute for Networking, CCNA. So
Okay.
definitely this is the first step where you can learn ABC and D of the network, like how to device work, how the packet goes, how the what is IP address, what is MAC
Okay.
address, technical
Yeah.
term. This is a, and this is a very good you have a if you have an if you are interested in field, so definitely you can go for it.
Yeah, I heard about even my friend. He's working and he's
Mm.
talking about like always, like we can say this is booming industry, and whenever we enter over there, we have to study more and more because depend on nowadays, like lots of technical. It's come advanced level. We can say new version, new technique, new devices come. So that's why reason he's doing, he's doing a study more and more every day. Seriously, I'm confusing. Already he done a degree, then after the diploma course we can say like IT software, some kind of, I don't know exactly. Then again he right now he's doing a study. He's talking about Samir in my field, like this is not enough for study. If you want to make a career like top level, then you have to study continuously forever life, we can say. If you study
Absolutely,
more, you
absolutely,
some
because the technology,
suddenly make a
because
good career.
because
Yeah.
brother technology because brother technology is growing very fast, and daily in market the new things will come daily basis. So definitely if you're not upgrade with the time, so definitely how can you learn the things? So
Yes.
definitely if you want to upgrade yourself, so definitely you should aware, you should be active mind, and rather than yes you can't get good money. So definitely,
Yes.
if you want to go in, networking sector or IT sector, so definitely you can also go there. You can also go there.
Yeah,
It
in
is not.
India, like lots of multinational companies stable. We can say like in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and in Pune, like Google company, Microsoft company, and those company. If you belong to, if you have any good experience, 1 and 2 year, and if you get a job, they will provide everything like good facility. We can say like they provide a room, they provide like pick up drop and luxury law, everything they provide, but
But
you have
yes,
to struggle, you have to take experience. And seriously, IT industry, we can say like booming industry, I love it. Like if you
ab-
get a job in Apple company, Apple like Google, then your life will change.
absolutely, absolutely, brother. Because everything, everything is nowadays connected with network. You can,
Yes, yes.
you can take the example of, right now right now you are using mobile phone. So
Yeah.
if there is no internet, so how can you how we can talk?
Yes, right, right,
How
right.
we can how we can make video call?
Yes, yes, yeah. It's very important, like something, like coding and network engineer like that. They are struggling too much. Yeah, I understand. Okay.
There are there are multiple line. There are multiple line like coding, database,
Yes, right.
networking, voice domain, networking domain, storage domain, lot of domains. But you yes choose any one, and definitely yes learn more,
Okay.
and definitely you can achieve something.
Okay. So like in your industry, it's important to like communication skill. Is it important?
Communication, yes, communication is important because most of the Indian company they work on foreign project. So
Okay.
they deal with USA client, US clients. So
Okay.
that time you need to English. Otherwise, when you talk with Indian people, so there is no any kinds of English. So definitely when you for suppose that your company basically deal with USA client. So
Okay.
how to communicate that person if you don't
Yeah.
know good communication skill. Yes,
Yeah.
so
I
that's
thought
why.
like communication is very important to like we can say commerce and like that. I thought, but it's very important to IT sector also. Okay,
Yes,
that's good.
yes,
Even
communication. Yes, communication
Mhm.
is important in every field. If you take the example of small company, or you can take the example of big company. So because this is the first step. This is the first step of your career.
Yeah, right. Even like couple of days ago, I was watching a one of video, YouTube video. Over there, like one video, we can say Google headquarter. Do you know where is this place, Google headquarter? We can say
California,
California, California. And I saw this video, and it was amazing. Like everything, good facility over there, like swimming, sleeping, and gaming. We can say lifestyle. It's amazing life. And I think all people belong to IT related. Am I right over there?
absolutely, brother. Because my one of my friend, he is also working in Google company, Google Noida.
Oh, I see. Okay.
and he and he after after they getting job there, so after that I called to him. So I'm just asking you, yeah brother, how how's your life? Brother, totally changed, because I met lot of people here. Yes, they are brilliant, and they are the, the atmosphere of our Google company is very nice. So yes, they tell me, sometimes yes, they aware about the things. Yes, Pankaj, if you have a curiosity to learn, so definitely there is a no sea of things.
Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
समुद्र है क्या? ये मतलब वो कहता है कि समुद्र है यहाँ सीखने के लिए.
Yes. Yeah. Right. It's very amazing. I impressed that video. Like it's a everything they provide a good facility, whatever you want, like a huge of amount, go paradise life. They provide everything, but you have to take experience. You have to also learn something over there.
Yes,
Seriously,
experience, and I realize one thing. If you don't know, if you have a basic knowledge about basic knowledge about things, those, and if you have a good communication skill, so yes, you can easily get job anywhere. But yes,
yeah.
you have a strong command in communication. If you have a strong command in communication, so definitely you can get very good job easily at anywhere.
Yeah, right.
most of
Absolutely right.
most of the people, they have a lot of knowledge, they have a lot of knowledge, but in the front, at the time of speaking, they got stuck. And yes,
Yeah.
this is the main issue. The people are lagging.
I hope so, brother. Like, just take experience and apply to multinational company like Google, Microsoft, and Cisco.
Brother,
Cisco, this is also, international
cisco
company. Cis-
cisco yes, Cisco basically, and it make networking devices, or networking,
Okay,
it makes Cisco make networking devices. Yes.
okay. So you should apply it, man. Seriously, you have a good opportunity in future time. Just give an interview and take a job and move on abroad like California. If you get a job, brother, your life will change. Like seriously.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. That's why I want to more focus nowadays on my communication skill, because when I do my graduation, or when I do my VTech, so that time I don't know importance of English. I am just go through with no. If I that time I just was, if I have a technical skill, so that's enough. But when I complete my graduation, so that time I came to Delhi. So that time I realized, yes, if you don't have any good communication skills, so yes, it's very difficult to get job in MNC.
Oh, I see. So
Yes,
right now, how many years you do you have experience? Like, you know,
three
three.
year of
Have okay.
yes.
Oh, I see. That's good. So I think this is enough for you. You should apply to another company. Maybe you will get.
Absolutely, absolutely. But this is a pandemic situation, and it's very difficult, because nowadays, the condition is very different.
Yeah, I understand. So after pandemic, please apply it like not in Delhi. You should apply to Bangalore and Hyderabad because over there
Absolutely.
I heard about like a big company, multinational company, stable, and we can say like if you get a job, then you will get like paradise life over there. Seriously, and whatever you want, you can achieve yourself. Like you can go in California also, brother, because I heard
Absolutely.
about lots of Indian people are working over there in California, like Google
Yes.
company headquarters. Yeah.
You said absolutely right. But my bigness is I don't want to go outside, and Delhi NCR. This is
Okay.
the main. This is my main weakness. Otherwise,
Oh,
yes, I know very well. If I went to Bangalore or any other state, so I can easily get job because I have a 3 year of experience and I know how the things will work.
yeah.
Yes, because I have a practical knowledge. I have a hand-on experience. I don't have anything. I because people have a theoretical knowledge, but I have a hand-on experience on devices.
Oh, I see. See, brother, always, just, think about big. If you think a big, then you
Yes,
can fulfill your dream.
this is
Just
the main
always
issue. This is the main issue because I am not thinking
yes.
too much. I'm just satisfy myself. Yes, if I am getting that amount of salary, so yes, it is good
Okay.
because yes. So definitely yes. Nowadays I yes nowadays
So, brother, just break a boundaries, think too big, and think about I want to fly in, like, anywhere we can say. Okay, just think
absolutely
about, and you can achieve yourself whatever you.
absolutely.